Tired of chasing down signatures the old-fashioned way? Let's ditch the paper and dive into the simple process of sending documents for e-signature using Docusign. First, log into your Docusign account, click the New button, typically found at the top left, and then select Upload to choose the document you want signed from your computer. Docusign supports various file types like PDF, Word, and more. Now, it's time to add your recipients. Click on the Add Recipient field and enter the name and email address of each person who needs to sign. You can assign roles, like signer or needs to view. To define their actions, add a personalized email message for your recipients so they know what the document is about. Next, drag and drop the necessary fields onto your document. For each recipient, you'll find options like signature, date signed, initial, and text fields in the left-hand panel. Simply click and drag them to the desired location. Use the recipient drop-down at the top to assign each field to the correct person. Once you've placed all the required fields and reviewed your document, click the Send button, usually located at the top right. Docusign will then email the document to your recipients for their signatures. You can track the progress of your document in your Docusign dashboard. It'll show you when each recipient has viewed and signed the document, and that's it. You've successfully sent a document for signature using Docusign.